Well, hello and good day. It has been a very long time. We have been winding down, getting the kids prepared for going back to school. Every day since July 4th, I feel, it has been raining or bad weather or something. So anyway, we had one last hurrah. It was still raining, but there was going to be a break in the weather that day. So we went ahead and did two things to celebrate the ending part of the summer. One, we ended up going to the Asheville Mall. Now, I have not been to the Asheville Mall in like 10 years. 10 years minimum. It was kind of like getting old, not a lot going on there. Retail stores were closing and whatnot. At one point, they even talked about turning the Asheville Mall into a glorified apartment complex and then adding a movie theater in there. Well, they never did add the movie theater in there, and it is still live and kicking. They have added some more stores and actually some more eventful type things. And in this video, the very first part of the video is like 5 minutes of the Asheville Mall and showing you guys some of the new things that I thought were interesting in there. One was a glorified comic book collectibles type store. It had some really cool displays that I thought were really neat. And I didn't really show the t-shirts or anything, but you can see through the video when I'm showing the things. I thought that was cool. They do like screen t-shirts and stuff like that on top of the collectibles. The second thing that I showed that I thought was really cool was in the middle of the Asheville Mall, and most malls have this, you know, they've got like the little animatronic rides and stuff for the kids, like you pop a quarter in kind of thing. But in our Asheville Mall, they actually had these animal scooters that you could rent, and it was like $1 per minute. So they started off at 5 minutes for $5, 10 minutes for $10, so on and so on. But they're like these little mechanical animals that you ride around in a circle. I thought that was cute. They have a trampoline station in the middle, which they've always had a trampoline thing in the middle, but there was some kids on it, and I thought that was really cute. Then, past the trampoline area, they had an axe throwing. No, it was axe throwing. And it was like, I couldn't tell if it was an actual bar, like a drinking bar, or if it was just food that included axe throwing. We had the kids, including Zeke, so we didn't go inside the venue, but I kind of filmed on the outside showing some people throwing axe. Then, across from that, they had a bull riding station. Again, I didn't put the kids on a bull rider or whatever, but there was another kid doing it, so I did a little filming of him to show you what it was like. Then we walked around to the other side of the mall, and they have a kickboxing gym. Like, literally, there were people sparring in a boxing ring, and in the middle of there, so it was like a full-on boxing gym, which I thought was cool. And I showed the membership and the prices and whatnot. So if you are an Ashevillean and you were looking for a place to go and learn some kickboxing or whatever, I got that displayed. Then on the other side, there was a really cool candy store. Again, had the kids, did not go inside the candy store, but I did film an animatronic that they had in the window that I thought was really cute. It was like a T-Rex or whatever, and he made noises and whatnot, so that was really cute. So then it kind of spans back to the nature center. So after we rode out the rain at the Asheville Mall, which is basically why we went there to walk around, we went to the nature center, and it was awesome. The nature center, the animals were so frisky and alive and awake because it had just rained and it was cool. Like, we got to see the bears, the wolves, everything. So that's what flashes to then. Now, we just got through, it's Friday, we just got through our very first week of going back to school. It was a success. The first 2 days, the older kids, they're in middle school, they were like, Mom, oh my gosh. It was like so dramatic, but they were fine. By today, they're acclimated, they know their teachers now, they know where they're going, so they're in better spirits today. I mean, and it's also Friday, so you know. But anywho, just putting this out there. Sorry it's been forever. Tomorrow is Saturday. We were thinking about maybe doing something. If it is something really cool and adventurous in the area, we will definitely video it and put it out there for you. And the following weekend, though, is what I'm really excited for, because the following weekend is actually going to be a Bigfoot festival. That's right, people, a Bigfoot festival. And we're going to go and check it out. And it's going to be in Marion, North Carolina. I think it said the event starts at 12. I could be wrong. Look it up. Marion, North Carolina Bigfoot Festival. It's a lot of fun. It's live music, food trucks, vendors. There's a dude that walks around dressed up in Bigfoot outfit, and they have little competitions for families and the kids and whatnot. With one of the main things that they featured on the website was give it a try for your very best Bigfoot call. So it sounded like a lot of fun, and it is a free event to get into. You just pay for the things that you buy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and we will see you as soon as possible. Till then, get the sign. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, you were just watching that movie, weren't you?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Why is it Iron Man? Why is it Iron Man?
What's the name of this store?
I want to be in a mall.
Look. Stay right here, hold on. What? That is funny.
I might need to do nails so I can. Some fun.
That's funny.
I don't know.
Can't we do something?
Look at how high.
I'm running out.
We're not going in there. We'll see.
He'll be able to see.
Can we do fun games like that? Do something. I want to do something. I want to do something in here.
That's cool. An indoor axe.
Line in the middle.
There.
Woo! There he goes. He felt that spin.
I know you are. Yeah.
Come on.
Ten seconds remaining.
Stay back.
3, 2, 1, go.
Isaac, come on.
Okay. See, we're going by. Z. It'll take a year for you to finish that one back.
Come on, Fido.
See what?
Oh, he screams too. He screams. That's pretty cool. It's a candy store. The whole thing. That's fun. No, we're not getting candy. We're not going in there. Willy Wonka. So, something new is coming to the Nature Center. A butterfly? They did say that they were doing something with butterflies in the signs before. Oh, that'll be cool. Very good. Oh, something to look forward to. A gem mining. What? That's at the end. Yeah. A gem mining. Some pretty butterfly stuff. When the Nature Center first opened, a timeline now. They've really done. It doesn't smell good. Why? Look. Oh, that's cool. You buy a bucket of rocks and then you, nope. And you sift through it for gems. But it's got a whole timeline now on the wall of the Nature Center. That's pretty cool. Let's go see what's different inside the barn. The chickens. Look at the chickens. 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 Chickens.
Hi, chickens.
Most of the chickens are inside. Chickens. Rainy day at the Nature Center. But that's okay. Last time we were here, it was all blocked off right here. Is the skunk in there? Look at him looking at you.
There's a skunk right here. The skunk is right here.
Get down before you hurt your face.
Little.
Hi, little goat.
Hi, little goats.
The goats are up because it's raining, I bet. That's why they're up. Aw, little goats. Get down before you get hurt. Another one.
Why are they so close to the gate?
Behind this thing.
Because they have special food here. Hi, baby.
What's behind this thing? Can I see?
Where's that? Oh, a little sheep. Baby goats. Daddy will hold you up here. Hold on. Donkey. Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
That kind of looks like a horse, right?
Like a miniature. I want to see the baby goat. Oh. Rainy day at the nature center. It's August and we're back at the nature center, and it is a very rainy day today, and we are just seeing the updates. And there's like, since the last time we were here, all the construction has actually been cleaned up and they're doing some fun stuff, and Zeke's gonna get hurt. All right, say cheese. Cheese. What are you doing? All right, now try not to fall getting down because it's been raining.
I don't know how.
Sit, straddle it. There you go. There you go. Goofy. Yeah, good job. They got all these pretty plants now. Yeah, the last time we were here, everything was blocked off and they were still improving the area after the hurricane. They finally got everything back to prettiness. And they have that new construction site that they showed in the front of the entrance where they're gonna, I guess they're making butterfly stuff. Oh, you can hear the water on the leaves. Oh, cool. How big is your paw?
See, put your hand right there.
See how big your paw is. It says it's a life size. I bet that was from one of their baby bears. Pretty cool. Good job. Let's walk on this pier. There's the bears. Shh, look, the bears are out. Look. 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 Zeke, the bear is out. Look. Right here. Hi, bear. He's out because it's nice out. There's no hot bearing sun. Look, he's so close. Shh. Soft voices. Hi, baby.
Oh my god. That thing could kill us if we wanted to. It probably would if it wasn't locked up.
Oh.
Hi, guy. Hi. Hi. Let's say he. Look, there's another bear. Zoom in. That's a widow baby. I wonder if that's a female and the other one is a male. Do you know if males are bigger than females, or females bigger than male?
Females are bigger. You can also tell that one has a bone and it's bigger.
And his what?
They have a bone in there.
But you can't tell that he even has that right now.
Right there. There's a little. You can't see it, but it's a little leg.
Stop it. Normally, we're not this lucky to see the bears this close up because it's really hot out. Normally, today's weather, even though it's raining, we're gonna have some good animal action, I think, for sure. And I don't know what is going on with this camera. Woo! Oh no! The leaves are raining on us. It is the bobcat. The bobcat's walking around. Be careful. Look through the fence at the bottom. Hi, guy.
Oh, that does not look like her, bro.
Well, no, like the same size, about.
Yeah, it is. Wait, hold up. That thing tore up too?
It's out because of the rain. I'm telling you, we're going to get some really great photos of all the animals walking around because of the rain. Zeke, it wants to eat you.
Usually laying up in the...
How could that thing eat a human?
The bobcat. There's the mountain lion.
Look at that.
This thing. It was this thing.
Yeah.
Look at that little thing.
No, because
There's another one.
Zeke, stay over here.
But no, if you look at
There's another one at the far
Way
end.
more active than I've ever seen them.
Oh, look at
Except for that one
face.
morning that we came, but that was because they were getting ready to be fed.
No, that doesn't even look like.
Hi, guy. Are you watching the baby? Are you watching the baby? Hi.
Zeke, look.
It wants you, Zeke. It's like, that's.
Zeke, look, it's right here in front of us.
Hi, baby.
I hope you don't talk to
Hi,
animals
baby.
like
They saw Zeke running.
Oh, yeah, they are.
Hi,
They
buddy.
see Zeke and now they're running towards. That is horrifying. Zeke, they see you, so they're trying to eat you.
Or play with you.
No, eat.
He's right up there.
Well,
It's hard
I
to
don't
see him. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
You need a rabbit call.
Oh, oh, oh.
Look at that thing.
You're an eagle. You're an eagle. You're an eagle. Oh. You can see the coyote from here. Careful, Zeke.
Well, here's one right here in front of us.
Yeah, here, look.
Hi, puppy.
You see that?
that's the cow.
That thing will tell you know.
That kind of looks like the red fox.
It does. You're right. It does look.
That's what they'll do. They eat your dogs and eat your
He smells
Hey!
us. He's like,
That's
food.
a coyote.
He sees you. Get down. He sees you. That's why he's looking.
I'm just like, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Puppy, puppy. He looks like. What in the world?
He's back there. He's doing.
Yeah, I wonder if the hawk
Mm-mm.
in the display case or if it was a wild hawk.
It was a wild hog.
Puppy, 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 puppy. So rainy days, first thing in the morning and the last thing in the evening are the best times to see the animals
Mm-hmm.
really getting out. Let's see if the red panda is out. The red panda. I don't. Is that food pellets?
Now we don't have this local to us, so why is this here?
Panda.
And you know what?
Because they help rescue it.
Adrian.
I think it's outside.
Poopy right
No, that's food pellets.
there.
Let's see if we can see
Come
them
out, Kyla. Can get to a truck now.
in a minute.
Look at that thing.
I know we're gonna. Let's see.
Don't bark at it.
You see him in there?
No.
Mm.
Is he up on the cliff? Sometimes he likes to hang out on the
We're
window.
going extinct, so maybe he's dead.
He
No,
might be
they
inside
hide.
the building somewhere hiding.
Yeah. I don't think it's out. So this is supposed to be the red fox,
See.
but he's in
He's
his
sleeping.
little hut. He's actually not out and around.
Mom, when that happened, I did it.
Oh, wow.
Here's that 24/7. The type of fox?
No, I don't know what they are, but this one is the raccoon. And last time we were here, the raccoon was way far in the back. And this is like, oh, he's up on top of the tree
there
stand.
he is. I see him.
Let's see if we can.
You can't really see him,
Zoom
but he's in
in.
the tree stand.
The glare is not that. It's so bad. Oh well, maybe I can.
Can I see?
Oh, I see.
Maybe this angle we can see him. No. Oh, can you see his little ear twitching? Oh well, raccoon is in there though. Okay, so apparently the gray fox is
They have orange.
right there against the
Fox.
chain link fence. Hey fox.
I would give this to school.
You are a squirrel.
Yeah, he ain't gonna turn his head. Let's see if I can get it at another angle.
Oh yeah, this is a better angle. You can see his face.
Hold on. This is
You
his.
can see his face over here. Look.
I can.
Mom, come this
I know.
way.
I see. Okay, let's try this from over here. Hold on. Oh. It's, you can't really. Sometimes the zoom is better than what I'm seeing on the screen, so I'm hoping that you guys can see the little face of the little foxy fox. Maybe. It's in as much as it can go. I hear somebody making rain.
How do you make it rain? Yeah.
I hear the rainmaker.
Oh, that was the best project. Rain the job.
Hello, rainmaker. Now you're gonna play the xylophone. It's kind of weird when it's wet, though, huh? Now, the last time we were here, in the last video I showed, they did have this little education pavilion up, but they didn't have the video rolling. And now today they have the video rolling. Must be a weekend thing that they do it.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
No, I can't.
Look down, Zeke, right in front of your face. Look at your feet. Look, there's the turtle. Don't touch. No. You can get bit. Oh my gosh. Hello, little turtle. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Turtle, turtle, turtle. The snakes. For our creature feature. If you know, you know. Today's creature feature, the reptiles. Oh no, they have. This still blows my mind. The fireflies. Just 2 to 4 weeks. The fireflies. And if you look at the floor, they must be renovating it. But the salamander's in here somewhere. Hello in there. Zeke, don't get your head stuck. Hello.
Do you want something? Yeah, I'll leave some space for you.
I don't think I can fit, man.
Yes, you can!
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine.
All right, we're in the log together.
Hey.
Hold on. We're in the log. Hey, where are you going?
Oh.
We're in the log together. We're in the log. Hello, everybody. Don't touch the thing.
Can I see it?
No.
I only see one
Oh my
video.
goodness.
It's moving.
Look at that snake.
It's moving when I saw Zeke's hand.
Man, Zeke has really been attracting all kinds of animals today. Zeke, are you attracting all the animals today?
It's moving. It moved its head when I saw Zeke.
He thinks he can eat him.
It's gonna bite you though.
Can it eat Zeke whole?
Wouldn't that be cool if it struck at the
No.
glass so we could see what it looks like?
I would have a jump
At the
scare.
glass? It's in glass.
I know, but I'll be like,
Oh, there's a copperhead, you guys. You want to see what a copperhead looks like?
I know what that looks like. Dad's seen
Right
him.
there.
Wait.
Well, I can't see because your big head, but
Yeah. Especially Zeke. Like, bro, yeah. There's two. There's two. There's
oh my
two.
god.
Yeah, they blend in
What's that?
on top of the other one. The reflection's hard to see it. But that's the snake you want to be watching for in our yard. You got to be careful. There's supposed to be a turtle in here. Oh, there he is. Man, the glass is hard to see through today. There he is. Oh, up here in the top, look on the shelf. That's just lets the corn snake go in between the habitats. But look up in the corner. You see the red? You see the orange and red up there on the shelf underneath the leaf? That's a corn
I just see
snake.
that little thing.
That's a corn snake. Oh, and there's another one up top here.
Real.
In the log.
Baby turtle.
Turtle, turtle, turtle.
What's
Careful.
a snappy turtle?
That's where they chomp down and snap at you. I don't see one in there. But hello there. Whoa, look at the. It looks.
Must be clean cages.
I wonder if it's an eastern mud. But look, his chin.
Oh yeah.
I don't. Yeah, there's this. Did you really just call this animatronics?
No, he said, wait, these aren't just animals.
You're a goober.
I'm very hungry.
yeah, I do want to eat.
You ready for a picnic?
Zeke, you ready for a picnic?
You ready for a picnic?
Yeah. This is the one time I was right.
Let's go. Come on.
All right. No, smile. Look at me.
It's not. It's more like.
Back out and around
Alright, Zeke, come on. Oh,
to the gift shop. Look at this pretty mural. I'm really excited to see if they do turn that front construction site into a butterfly garden. That'd be fun. Here's all of the contributors to the Nature Center. Timelines, donations. That's the donation guideline. Take a screenshot. And then this is the timeline. That's this year about Hurricane Helene. 2019, the new entrance. 2009. 1999, adopted into the Association of the Zoo and Aquariums. that right there is the main reason why we like to do the yearly passes, because it gets you in either for free or half off to the list of zoos and aquariums around the United States. Conservation, 1991. Oh, the little red wolves. 1985. I really think that's cool they did the timeline. Well, that says 1977, but that says 1975.
Huh.
I wonder if it took 2 years to acquire what they were doing here. It's 19...
This is 65, that's a 73.
Yeah, 65, but this says 73. Maybe it's just showing how many years, how many decades they've been open. Maybe that's the purpose of that, because that's 1955. This gives information of 59. Or elephants. But in 1935, I guess there was.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
World War II. So this place opened in 1925, which, by the way, I had no idea it was that old. 1925? Wow. Originally part. That's amazing. I didn't know that.